Welcome. This video will show you how to install the Qubo Smart Door Lock. We highly recommend that you get the Qubo Smart Door Lock installed by a Q expert or a Qubo authorized carpenter. Check the thickness of your door on which you intend to install the lock. This lock is suitable for doors with a thickness of 3.5 cm and above. Before starting installation, ensure that the lock is working properly. To check, open the back panel cover. Connect the Mortise cable and front panel connection cable with the circuit board provided on the back panel below the silicone cover. Insert the batteries in the slot on the back panel. The lock is working fine if the numbers light up on the front panel and you are able to hear a voice prompt. Remove the batteries and disconnect the cables to initiate the installation process. To install the Qubo Smart Door Lock, you will need standard carpenter tools such as a drill machine, wood chisel, screwdriver, hexa blade and a plier. First, remove the traditional Mortise lock that is currently installed on your door. Second, check your door open direction. The product has reversible handles to suit both left and right entry doors. Third, to change lock directions as per your door, please use the following steps. To change lock direction of front panel, take out the two screws, the positioning disc and the shield sleeve. B. Rotate the handle to the other end. Position the sensor cable to the opposite side. Then put the shield sleeve and positioning disc back and fasten the screws. C. To change the handle direction of back panel, take out the two screws and the positioning disc. D. Rotate the handle to the other end. Put the shield and positioning disc back. E. Please ensure that the flat surface of the Mortise latch faces the inside of the house. To change latch direction, hold up the bolt switcher, push and rotate the latch inside the Mortise and release. After you change the latch direction, remove the direction screw and place it on the other side of the Mortise. Please check that the flat surface of the latch and direction screw are on the same side. Your lock is now ready to install with the handle reversed. Fourth, position the drilling template on the door as per the desired lock placement. Create holes and grooves as per drilling template. While doing the same, keep checking for best fit of the mortise at regular intervals. Fifth, once the adequate space is created, insert the mortise and fasten the screws tightly. Sixth, put the key cylinder into corresponding position of mortise and fasten the screw. Seventh, now fix 3 screw bolts on the front panel. Place pressure spring and square shaft into the bore. Eighth, pass the connection cable through the rectangular cavity, align and insert the square shaft into the mortise holes to make the front panel fit against the door. Ninth, attach the mounting plate to the back side of the door. Fix the front panel to the mounting plate using the mounting screw and fasten them tightly against the door surface. 10th, shorten the privacy lock lever according to the thickness of your door. Make sure it fits into the mortise bore. 11th, remove the silicone cover on the back panel and insert connection cable of front panel and mortise into the related sockets. 12th, place the pressure spring and the square shaft in the back panel properly and insert the square shaft into the mortise holes. Now fasten the back panel to the door using the mounting screws. Thirteenth, install the batteries and the battery cover. Fourteenth, please check handle, child lock, manual knob and mechanical key are working properly. If the manual knob feels tight, you may need to shave the lever slightly more till the manual knob becomes smooth. 15th, install strike plate on the door frame to finish installation. Congratulations, your Qubo Smart Door Lock is now ready to set up. To know more about the setup process and features of the Smart Door Lock, please watch our other support videos.